Here are 10 effective home remedies for skin tightening. As we grow old, our skin starts to show signs of aging. It starts losing its natural elasticity, which leads to sagging. Sagging of skin is a natural process and is irreversible, but it can be reduced and delayed. In this video, we're going to show you effective home remedies for skin tightening. 1. Almond oil. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E and provides moisture to the skin. It visibly reduces skin sagging and tightens skin naturally. You will need almond oil. Massage almond oil on your skin for 20 minutes before taking a shower. Do this every day or at least every alternate day. 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil penetrates into deeper layers of the skin and rejuvenates the skin cells. It keeps the skin hydrated and nourished, and eliminates free radicals that are damaging your skin and speeding up the aging process. You will need virgin coconut oil. Massage the oil in upward circular motions on the affected area. Keep massaging for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave the oil on overnight. Do this every night before going to bed. 3. Avocado oil. Avocado oil is highly moisturizing in nature and penetrates deep into the skin. It contains high levels of vitamins A, B, and E that help to tighten skin. You will need avocado oil. Massage the skin in upward motions with avocado oil for about 15 minutes. Leave it for an hour or so and then wash it off. Do this once every day. 4. Olive oil. Olive oil is the go-to remedy to seal moisture and keep your skin glowing. It is rich in antioxidants and vitamin E that tighten your skin. You will need virgin olive oil. After taking a shower, pat your skin dry. Massage olive oil all over your body for a few minutes. Use olive oil every day instead of a body lotion. 5. Banana mask. Ripe bananas can be used for skin tightening as its minerals and vitamins give it anti-aging properties. It also smoothens and moisturizes the skin. You will need a ripe banana. A few drops of lemon juice. Mash the banana and apply this all over your face and neck. You can also squeeze a few drops of lemon to the mashed banana. Leave it on your face for about 15 minutes and then wash off with water. Use this pack twice a week for best results. 6. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera contains a variety of phytochemicals that will ensure optimal health of your skin. It soothes, nourishes, and tightens the skin. You will need an aloe vera leaf. Cut open an aloe leaf and extract the gel present inside. Apply fresh aloe gel on the affected area and let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with water. Repeat this once every day. 7. Tomato. Tomato juice is soothing for the skin. It is a natural toner that firms up loose and saggy skin. It also contains antioxidants that even out your skin tone and give you a natural glow. You will need a small tomato and a cotton ball. Juice the tomato and dip the cotton ball in it. Apply a thin layer of tomato juice on the skin. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Then, wash with clean water. Repeat this twice a day. 8. Lemon juice. The astringent properties of lemon juice are also beneficial in tightening the skin. You will need a lemon and a cotton ball. Squeeze out some lemon juice and apply it on your face using the cotton ball. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse with water, pat dry and moisturize. If you have sensitive skin, dilute the lemon juice with water before using it on your face. Repeat this twice a day. 9. Yogurt. Yogurt face mask is widely used as a natural remedy to tighten saggy skin. The lactic acid present in yogurt shrinks pores and tightens skin. Using this mask regularly will also help to impart a natural glow to the face. You will need 2 tablespoons yogurt and a few drops of lime juice. Mix the lime juice with the yogurt. Apply this mixture on your skin. Massage for 10 minutes, and leave it on for another 5 minutes. Wash it off with water. Repeat this 3 to 4 times in a week. 10. Mustard oil. Mustard oil tightens skin and makes your skin glow. The high levels of vitamin E present prevent aging and wrinkles. You will need ½ cup mustard oil. Heat the oil until it becomes lukewarm. Before taking a shower, massage your skin with mustard oil. Massage in upward motions for about 5 minutes. Shower as usual. Repeat this 2 to 3 times in a week. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. For more facts and tips, subscribe to the channel.